So today I'm going to make a quick sandwich recipe using paneer or cottage cheese. It's quick to make and tastes delicious with your tea or coffee. To make this, I have 4 slices of bread, chunky chaat masala, which is the major ingredient which creates a lot of flavor in this sandwich. There is salted butter. You could also use unsalted butter if you like. There is some thin slices of cottage cheese or paneer, some salt to taste, green chilies finely chopped, fresh coriander leaves finely chopped, and some red onions again finely chopped. Let's start by mixing all the ingredients for the filling. So add in the onions, add in the coriander leaves, and then the green chilies. Mix these well. Next, add in the chaat masala. Put a generous serving because that's what's going to add all the flavor. Also add some salt at this time. Next, take the slices of bread and we will cut off the edges. Next, we will apply a generous layer of butter onto the breads on both sides. This butter is at room temperature, so it's just easy to spread. After adding butter, we will place this cottage cheese or paneer slices onto these breads. And next, take the filling that we made and just generously sprinkle on this and fold in the sandwiches. Now take a hot pan and on this we will add the sandwich. Again on the outer side, put a decent amount of butter and place it. Apply butter on this side too. Allow this to cook on a medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes before we flip this. Time to now flip this. You can see how nice and crispy they are because they have been slow cooked. Press them gently, keep the flame low or medium because that will allow the butter to melt and seep in, which adds a lot of flavor. And there are the sandwiches all ready, nice and crispy. Hope you enjoy them with a nice cup of tea or coffee.